Hello everyone, my name is Pratiksha Miling Gaikwad. Our today's topic is loop. So, first we will discuss how many types of loops are there in Java. Second, we will see the syntax of loops. And third, we see the examples of loops. So, first, before starting loops, I will share the one example. For example, if we want to print numbers from 1 to 10, we always have to initialize every number in we always have to initialize one number or give data type to every variable to that number for printing 1 to 10, so that it will acquire all the space. So for repetition of the process will include much more time, so avoiding that repetition or avoiding that repetition and space, we use loops. There are three types of loops in Java. First is for loop, second is while loop, and third is do while loop. So let's start with the for loop. For loop is used to for iteration process in Java. Like if we want to print number 1 to 10, let me first share syntax with you. The syntax of for loop is for initialization, condition, and increment decrement. So let's see the initialization. Whenever we have to use any variable in Java, we have to initialize that. So we initialize any variable inside the for loop, like int or any we can take any data type for initialization. And here I take int I is equal to 0. Next we will put any condition, like if we have to print any certain range from 1 to 10, then I will set I is greater than or equal to 10. Next, increment decrement. We have to increment or decrement in for loop. For getting next number, we have to increment, and for getting before number or less number, we have to decrement. So let's take the example of for loop. First, we have to print 1 to 10 numbers. We initialize I is equal to 0, I is greater than equal to 10, I plus plus. Then it comes a statement, system.out is equals to I. It will clearly print the output from 1 to 10 numbers. Now we'll go to while loop. In while loop, we have to first initialize any variable in before while. So we will first initialize variable int I is equal to 1, then while, then comes condition, and then comes statement and increment decrement. For example, int I is equal to 0 while I greater than equal to 10, and then it comes statement, and then comes I plus plus. It will print number from 1 to 10. In do while loop, we use semicolon in do while loop. First, in a do while loop, we first initialize, then we will put the condition in while. We will add this statement, then put the condition in while, then the statement and the increment decrement. It will print numbers from 1 to 10. But there is one point to be noted in do while loop. In all loops like for, while and do while loop, if there's any condition is true or false, it will not print any statement, but in do while loop it will execute at least once. So that's it. Thank you so much.